pa, yan yung sa first one. Okay. These are the winners in the following projects with contract ID 24M000327. We have a loan bidder and the total bid is 24,300,434.02 as read. Subject to post qualification of the back technical working group. For contract ID 24M00330, we have a loan bidder considering that Raisa Enterprises failed. So the bid amount of uncut construction supplies is 14,297,105.72 as read, subject to post qualification of the back technical working group. For contract ID 24M00331, we have 3 participating bidders, and the only bidder who qualified to offer its financial is HDRM Construction with a bid amount of 9,900,054 centavos, subject again to post qualification of the back technical working group. For contract ID 24M00332, we have a loan bidder with a bid amount of 14,462,325 pesos for Corix Construction, and it is again subject to post qualification of the bid of the back technical working group. For contract ID 24M00333, we have a loan bidder, CMG Star Construction, with a bid amount of 10 million, with a new bid amount of 19,91,105.64 centavos as read, subject to post qualification of the back technical working group. For contract ID 25M00035, we have 4 participating bidder, and the lowest bid goes to Amplex Construction with a bid amount of 96,642,442.60 centavos as read, subject to post qualification of the back technical working group. For contract ID 25M00052, we have 5 participating bidders, and the lowest calculated bid, lowest bid goes to Amplex Construction Supply with a bid amount of 93,604,304.40 centavos as read, subject to post qualification of the back technical working group. That's all. And for the goods, sandali lang. Okay. Now we close for the activities in bid opening, and we proceed with our pre-procurement for good related services. And the agenda items for review basic